as I look at my back now, I see our own Chief John Odige Oyegun, Chairman APC, is leading all other members of the National Working Committee. We welcome you, sir. We welcome the Minister of Labour and Productivity, our own Dr. Chris Ngige.
Ọba tó ń gbọ́ àdúrà, ògo yẹ Ọlọ́run wa. Ọba tó ń gbọ́ àdúrà, ìyìn yẹ Ọlọ́run wa. Ọba tó ń gbọ́ àdúrà, ògo yẹ Ọlọ́run wa. Ọba tó ń gbọ́ àdúrà.
She's the one waving. I'm waving to our people. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for honoring my Akérèdọ́lù to lose. Thank you. We recognize the presence of our Excellency James Collins Dali OFR, former Deputy Governor of Statistics. We welcome the MC, Africa Development Bank. We thank God for such a